Hello everyone. Today we are unboxing the VEIKK A15 Pro graphics tablet. And I'm super excited to dive into this as it is one of the most recommended tablets for the digital artist and the designers out there. And if you can see, there are some specs on the box: the dimension, working area, the resolution, report rate, reading height, and the kind of ports that includes one USB Type C and the express keys. There's 12 express key and the one quick dials. So those are the basic express. And what the great thing about the pen is, it is the battery free pen, so you don't have to worry about the batteries. And when these things are came closer, when the pen will become closer to the pad, it will be automatically connected. Okay, so as you can see inside the box, the first thing that appear, that is the gloves, and the another thing, that is the protector. I think it will definitely save the tablet from the dust and when you are not using it. So it's a pretty good thing. I think it will be a useful thing for day-to-day life. And the another thing you can see, that is our main attraction today. So that is the big A15 Pro tablet. That's pretty big. Okay, so let's keep it the side and take a look at the what's inside the box. Okay, so as you can see that the few instruments are there. So this is definitely the cable to connect your device with the tablet, and there are some of the nibs on the packet and also the nibs extractor and the two OTG. So one is a micro USB, the another one should be the Type C. Okay, so those are the things that's newly included. Those OTG are the newly included, and this is the user manual, I think so. And you don't need that, I'll definitely explain everything. And this is the ultimate pen. So it comes with a pretty cool box with the VEIKK branding on the top of the box, and this is the pen. So it seems to me that's kind of realistic pen. The pen we are using, although the bottom of the pen is bigger, and it has the two buttons, like the top and bottom buttons, and those buttons also customizable. And I already said this pen is a battery free pen, so you don't need to have to worry about the charging the pen. So it's a great thing, I think. And there are two other things I can see on the left side of the box. I think those are the things, maybe the pen holder, I think. And yeah, this is the pen holder. This should be the pen holder. And if I can give you some of the purchase information, it cost me around 55 bucks. Although it was kind of cheaper before the seller increased the price. Yeah, and I can definitely hold the pen there though. So maybe not that direction. Yeah, that should be the perfect direction. Yeah. And of course, there's a great thing to make things to stand up on the table. So if you can take a look at the measurement, the width is around 35 and the height is around 20 centimeter, and the pen is around 16 centimeter. And those are the things you need to know. And I will upload the rest of the videos with how can you download the driver, how can you set up all these things, how can you make it useful uh, to use your day-to-day life. I'll definitely upload the part 2 video. But I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you love the video, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.